Dealing with huge set of data, will Panda's operation suffice? Hello friends, today we will discuss about Spark. Apache Spark is an open source unified analytics engine for large-scale data processing. We will discuss some commonly used commands for exploratory data analysis using Spark, such as shape of the data frame, filtering, group by, aggregation, sorting, and printing through rows of the Spark data frame. We will dive more into analytics using college placement dataset taken from Kaggle. The aim of this tutorial is to familiarize you with the Spark commands so that we can easily deal with the huge dataset when needed. So let's begin. We will be using Google Colab to show the demo. Let's start with installing Spark dependencies. For that we need to install JDK, latest version of Spark, and Hadoop. This is what these 4 lines of command will do for you. Once the required installation is done, we will get the environment variable set, that is Java Home and Spark Home. Let's import the Find Spark library and initialize it. We create a Spark session and we are ready to go. Let's unzip the archive.zip that I've already uploaded in this data folder. Now let's import few modules from PySpark SQL function library. We will need them in the later section of the code. Let's load the data into PySpark data frame using spark.read.csv function, as shown here. The command to display the first 5 rows of a data frame is using the show function as highlighted here. For printing the names of columns, we use the dot columns operation as shown in this command. The subset of the data frame in Spark can be done using a filter function as shown here. Here we have filtered the data frame using the age column and created 2 data frames. One data frame is created for the rows belonging to age is equal to 21 and another data frame is created for age belonging to 22. In order to display the dimension of the data frame, that is, the number of rows and columns, we can use the dot count and columns attribute as shown here. Let's do a group by operation on the Spark data frame here. Here we have found out the average CGPA of each stream and number of students placed in one data frame, and we have created another data frame where we have grouped by the streams to find the total number of students in each stream. Let's see the column name using the print schema here. We see that it needs a rename operation. The rename operation in Spark data frame can be done using with column rename function as shown in this command here. Now let's do a join operation, which is very common when we are dealing with data frames. Let's join the 2 tables to get the collective result of stream, average CGPA, number of students placed, and the total number of students. This can be done using the inner join operation on the column stream, and the code is highlighted here. Here you see the final data frame is displayed with the required 4 columns. We now aim to create a derived column as percentage of student placed. But before that we need to change the data type of the variable, number of students placed and total number of students. This can be done using the cast operation. The highlighted code will help you create a derived column, the percentage placed, which is nothing but the number of students placed divided by the total number of students in each streams rounded to 2 decimal places. Let's see what analysis we can draw from here. Let us sort the data frame by the number of students placed. We see that the computer science has the highest number, that is 452. But does that give us the correct information? Let's sort the data frame by the percentage of students placed. Here we see that out of 425 students in ECE branch, 251 got placed, that is 59.2%, and that is the highest among all the branches or streams. Through this analysis, we know that ECE branch is doing much better at placement than any other branches. So through this exercise, we have aimed to cover some commonly used Spark commands for data analysis. The commands equivalent to these in Pandas data frame is shown in the other file. You can go through both to understand the difference in detail. When dealing with the huge data sets, Sparks become really handy and it is worthwhile to learn Spark. Hope you have enjoyed this video on Spark and how the data analysis can be done using Spark. Have an awesome and happy learning always. Thank you.